Hello students, good morning. How are you my dears? Be happy, be healthy, and thank you very much. You are watching these classes at your home, sitting at your home. Today we are going to discuss about optative sentence in the topic narration. Your topic narration is on progress, and in narration today we are going to discuss about a new theme, that is optative sentence. What are the optative sentences? Optative sentences are those sentences which begins with may, and at the last of the sentence these sentences have an exclamatory mark or an interjection. These sentences, dear students, these sentences express a meaning. The meaning is these sentences express blessing, wish and curse. These sentences express a bless, boon, curse, bane or wish. These sentences in reported speech begins with may, and at the last of the sentence you will get here an interjection, means exclamatory mark. Dear students, how do we change these sentences? First of all, I write here a sentence of direct speech. An old man said to me, may you live long. Dear students, may you live long. The direct narration or direct speech has two parts. One part is known as RV and second part is known as RS, means reported speech, reporting verb. I have already told you about these parts of direct narration. But my dear students, here we are studying optative sentences, and optative sentences begin with may, and at last you will get interjection. Dear students, in direct narration and in RV, I have already told you we do not change the subject and the object. In RV, we never change the subject and the object. We change only the verb. But my dear students, I have told you how do we change the verb. But the rules that I have told you, according to those rules we will not change here set to or RV. We will change this RV according to the new rules or according to the rules of optative sentences. Means to say, here said to will not be changed into told or into asked. Here said to will be changed into wished, into blessed, into cursed. Dear students, if RS clause inside a part of direct narration has a bless means to say, if the subject bless the object in this clause, then you will change said to into blessed. If the subject cursed the object in this RS clause, then you will change said to into cursed. If you do not know the sentence or the clause RS has a bless or curse, then you can change said to into wished. Said to into wished. Okay? You get it? Dear students, old man said to me, please told me, tell me please, may you live long, may you live long, live long. आप लंबे समय तक जिए, आप अमर रहें. Then the sentence expresses here bless, आशीर्वाद प्रकट कर रहा है. इसलिए so you have to take in mind, we have to change this RV into blessed. Write the subject an old man and change said to into blessed. Said to into blessed, BLESSED. Object is here me. An old man blessed me. Always apply connector that. Dear students, these are the changes. Here RS clause begins with may. You have to differ if RS clause begins with may and there is question mark, then may I come in, sir? May you do this? May you come? The sentence will be interrogative. And in interrogative sentences, we change said to into asked. And we apply connector here if or whether. But my dear students, here this clause, this part is not interrogative part. This clause is optative part and expresses a bless to me. Expresses a bless to me. Here the sentence begins with may and an interjection optative. If the sentence begins with may and there is question mark, the sentence will be interrogative. You have to differ these both sentences. If the sentence begins with may and there is question mark, then the sentence will be interrogative. And if you find may and interjection, then the sentence will be optative. Okay? And dear students, in interrogative we change said to into asked and we apply connector if or whether. But in optative sentence we change said to into blessed, cursed and wished and apply connector that. Okay? Here after connector we will write the subject. The subject is you. The second person pronoun will be changed according to the object of RV and the object is me. What will be the subject of me? The subject of me is I. You will write here I. Here may. You will change may into might. But in this sentence you can write here could. Why? Why? Only in this sentence. Why? Because may expresses only possibility, while could might possibility, remote possibility, while could expresses strong possibility. And to me I wish, to me I wish that I could not, I might, because it is the question of my life. And for my life, I will keep strong possibility, not possibility. Okay? मीन्स टू से, फॉर मी, थोड़ा हिंदी में समझाता हूं, मेरे लिए, मैं यदि मेरे जीवन की बात कर रहा हूं तो मैं यहां संभावना के बजाय मजबूत संभावना को ही व्यक्त करूंगा. ओके, सो यू कैन चेंज मे इनटू कुड और मे इनटू माइट ओनली इन दिस सेंटेंस, नॉट दीज टाइप ऑफ सेंटेंसेज, only and only in this sentence. That I might, I could live long. Okay, dear students, indirect speech. Next question is direct speech. An American visitor said to me, an American visitor said to me, an American visitor said to me, may your country live long. May your country live long. This is the second question, my dear students. Indirect speech, you will change it into indirect speech. What is the subject in the sentence in reporting verb? The subject is American visitor and the object is me and verb is said. Here the RS clause begins with may and at last you will find here interjection, not interrogation mark. So, dear students, an American visitor said to will be changed into blessed, or you can write here wished me. Wish, feelings, wish करना, किसी को कामना प्रकट करना, किसी को इच्छा प्रकट करना. थोड़ा सा हिंदी में भी समझा देता हूँ, कहीं ऐसा ना हो कि मैं इंग्लिश में समझाते हुए आपको थोड़ा सा दूर ले जाऊं. चलिए नेक्स्ट. said to will be changed into blessed or wished. Object is me. The connector will be that. Subject is your country. Your is the second person and second person will be changed according to the object. Object is me. What will be the possessive pronoun? Possessive pronoun will be my country, might, may will be changed into might. Your pronoun is changed into my because the object is me. If the object would be here her, then we will change here her. Here will be him, then we will write here his. But here the object is me, so the possessive pronoun of I will be my country. May change into might, and live long, because we always write first form of the main verb after any modal. First form of the main verb after any modal. So, dear students, you have to mind it. You will remove all the symbols, all the marks from indirect narration. And next sentence is, the man direct said to me, May you go to hell. May you go to hell. If you want to change it into indirect, you will write the man said to be changed into cursed. Hell. Hell means the opposite of heaven. Heaven, heaven or hell. Hell means where people are tortured. Hell. An imaginary thing, an imaginary place. We think that there people are tortured. Okay? Hell. So the man cursed me that you will be changed into, according to me, I, may into might, go into go, to hail, to hail. Remove all the marks from indirect narration. These are the sentences of optative in the topic narration. I think that you all got these sentences or got these type of sentences. If you have any problem or if a problem persists, you can write in comment box or you can send me a message on my WhatsApp number. Okay, dear students, here I finish my class. I wish you are very well at your home. You are watching these classes. Okay, thank you.